Adding an AI chatbot to your Wix website is a straightforward process. Today, I'll guide you through the steps to integrate a chatbot seamlessly into your Wix site. First, log into your Wix account and navigate to My Sites. Once there, select the site you want to edit. Click on Edit Site to access the site editor. In the editor, locate the Add button, typically represented by a plus icon. Clicking on it will open the app market. Use the search function to find available chatbot apps, choose the one that best fits your needs, and click Add to Site. Confirm any permissions required for the integration. After granting permission, wait for the app to load. Once loaded, you can customize and configure the chatbot to your liking. Finally, save your changes, and the chatbot will be successfully added to your Wix website. That's it. You've now integrated an AI chatbot into your Wix site, enhancing its functionality and user experience.